What book do you want to get?
Craig's.
Come. Show me. Tickle Monster book you want to have?
Yeah.
Okay. It's Beware the Tickle Monster. Okay. Don't worry about the kooky Cyclops. Come back. Let's see what the next page is.
No, it's yours.
Or the dilly-dallying dragon. Don't worry about the teasing trolls. No screaming.
What?
Or the boogie woogie boogie man. But do beware of the four-eyed, three-horned, little, furry tickle monster. It's going to... get you! Okay.
What?
Shouldn't you say, thanks, Craig?